Hi there, Clive. We are quite literally seeing both faces of autumn today. Some glimpses of sunshine and incredibly mild across southeast England and much of eastern England. But it's a different story further north and west. Already we've got some heavy rain, we've got fast moving rivers, and there could be some issues over the next couple of days. The relentless heavy rain is likely to sit across southern Scotland, northwest England and West Wales as well. Not moving very far, very fast. This has been the story so far. And in the last few hours, the Met Office has issued an amber weather warning for parts of southwest Scotland and the Lake District because we are really going to see those rainfall totals stacking up, not only through today but into tomorrow before that rain clears away. Some areas could see in excess possibly of 200 millimetres of rainfall, and so that may have an impact with some localised flooding and disruption to travel. And that's going to be the story as we head into the weekend. That low pressure sitting up into the northwest will bring some cooler and showery conditions at times. A noticeable difference with the feel of the weather, and as you can see, pretty unsettled. So I'm not sure if it's a trick or a treat as we head into the weekend.
Louise, thanks for that. Louise Leah there.
Hello, good afternoon. The mild and dry weather is set to continue for the next couple of days. We'll only start to see some changes in the forecast when we get to Friday. For this morning, a particularly mild start to the day. Temperatures were in the mid-teens in Celsius. It was rather grey and cloudy, of course, but we've since seen some breaks in the cloud emerge, as recorded by weather watcher Jean's Jules here in Kensington. Still some more bright and sunny spells at times this afternoon. By the time we get into Friday, there's a cold front sweeping eastwards, and that's going to give us some wet weather through the morning, some showers on and off, perhaps brightening up towards the end of the day, but also some cooler air digging in behind. Unsettled and cooler over the weekend, sunny spells and showers on Saturday, very wet and windy potentially on Sunday.
Hello there. It's been a pretty quiet day weather-wise. More of the same to come tonight and tomorrow. But for Friday and the weekend, turning increasingly unsettled with some spells of wet and windy weather on the way at times.
Hi, some important numbers in the weather today. Those places that saw some sunshine up to around 18 degrees. But more significantly is just how much rain is falling across parts of southern Scotland, especially southwest Scotland and Cumbria. With a Met Office amber warning, parts of Cumbria will see over 200 millimetres of rain in the wettest areas here. This is what's been happening today. And look at this wet weather just continuing to feed in across many of the same places. So as it rains, the rain totals mount, the risk of flooding and disruption increases.
So how are things shaping up for the next few days?
Well, more of the same for now. I mean, it doesn't feel like it's autumn out there. The leaves are blowing around in the wind. That is one aspect of autumn, but it doesn't look like autumn too much with this photo from today from one of our weather watchers with a bit of sunshine around at times during this afternoon. And a very quick headline for tomorrow. More of the same. We'll have another day where there's a lot of cloud around, but there'll be a few sunny spells coming through. It'll be windy out there. It'll be mainly dry. And yes, it will be mild.
A very good evening to you. Blustery winds and cloudy skies, and all the while staying mild given the time of year. Temperatures up a notch on those you'd expect for this point in the autumn.